Right. It's Roy with CRR News and Clues over here. Stopping in to stir my supper for later. Been cooking since yesterday. The tenderized beef fajita was still frozen. I just stuck it in the pot, put some filtered water over it, turned the thing on low, let it start going, and gradually got it broke apart throughout the day of work. Then let it slowly do its cooking overnight. And last night opened up a big package of frozen vegetables. Dumped about 2/3 of it in there. So there was room for the water and all still. It's not near supper time. So I need breakfast for in the mornings. I don't really want to add any grease to this meal, but this frozen sausage will cool the water down a bit, and by supper time it'll be not only defrosted but fully cooked. And I'll be able to put it on a plate to drain and put it in a dish so I can grab a piece to eat in the morning while getting ready for work, so I got a little protein to get going. Please remember, our bodies, those of us that have to have protein, it's best to get it first thing. And as for the folks who think that my little video with the goulash has nothing to do with goulash, that's your problem, not mine. My food does not have to have noodles. It does not have to have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates produce energy if they're used right away. If they do not, they turn into sugar. Stored sugar turns into fat. If you have too much stored sugar in the body, it feeds bacteria. It feeds fungus, which is also called yeast, and can also feed cancer. So I'll stick with my cooking the way I want it. Meat and vegetables. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.